Puts his hand sideways and then it just falls over.
There you go, Aiden. Watch it, Mommy. He does it. And then,
Oh no, he's got a pillow. He walks like a little drunkard. Like he's... Close, Aiden.
Very close.
You gotta throw yourself over.
Why won't my feet come upside down?
He's so cute.
Like Sissy. Oh, no.
Ah, nothing will drink won't fix.
Maya, you gonna try?
You didn't hurt.
Cartwheel?
I lost all my cartwheel powers.
What's the pillow for, Aiden? Aiden, what's the pillow for?
It's my baby. It's for my baby.
Oh, it's for your baby.
It's for my baby.
Oh, it's for your baby.
No, it's for my baby.
Okay, well, we're not gonna fight over the pillow.
Bye.
Bye. See you
See you
Saturday.
guys
Oh,
later.
okay. That's for your baby. The big pillow, huh? Bye. Oh!